Hi guys, I'm doing Transformers video thing. Let me to first start animated. Bumblebee, I got PLC, Magnus, Bulkhead, Megatron from that. You mean that two. Those are from McDonald's and Beanlock I bought from Toys R Us. And the Transformers Prime B Centers. There's Predaking, Ultra Magnus, Skyquake, RC, Optimus, the McDonald's, Wheeljack, and the Starhammer, Megatron. Okay, let's go down and see what are here. Now kasi Transformer Cybertron. I think this Megatron G2. That's that. If you can just guys see it. Okay, if you can just see that's Evac and his friend is that. See that? I don't know his name. Evac's back is Prowl. That guy with the shoe. I don't know his name. I just named him Shoe. And in his front, I've got, I don't know his name too. Here I got a fake Jazz and a fake Override. In these parts, I got the Minicons, Bruticus I think, and some other Minicons. And in the back, what if you guys can see, in here, can't really see, so I might get it here. Sound wave. And there's one for Cybertron. And here's SWAT. I don't know. There's Devastator. And let's go to the big Bumblebee. My father gave it to me on Christmas, and Ultimate Optimus Prime. Leader class with Optimus with Black Pie. Ultimate Optimus Prime and Sentinel. Leader class Sentinel. Leader class Bumblebee. Optimus Prime, RC, fake RC, Ridley, Jazz, Brown, and Bumblebee and the twins, Evac, Ironhide, Ratchet, and here you can see the Constructicons Devastator. You can see Devastator there, Rampage, Long Haul Shockwave, and the Decepticon Blood June, Long Haul, Ravage and Laserbeak, Sandstorm, Barricade. I don't really know what this guy's name is, and there's 2 Starscream and 1 fake Megatron. And for the most of all, the surprisingly weapon of all is, I forgot, if you guys have sea spray, tell me if you got sea spray, guys. And there's have sea spray right there, and up you can see the final, the arc. And here you can just search for more. Okay guys, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.